Toyota's Gazoo Racing division has recently given the beloved HiAce van a sporty makeover that promises to turn heads both on and off the road. Known for their motorsport-inspired vehicles and performance-oriented upgrades, Toyota GR is expanding its offerings beyond just cars like the GR Supra and GR Yaris. This time, the HiAce van gets a touch of GR magic through two exciting styling upgrades available for the 2025 model year. The HiAce has been around in its current H200 generation since 2004, and while it has remained largely unchanged, Toyota continues to offer the HiAce to customers in Japan, including the high-spec Super GL Dark Prime S trim for 2025. But what really catches the eye this year is the GR Parts upgrade, which allows HiAce owners to transform their practical vans into sporty street or off-road ready machines. This collaboration brings a fresh and rugged look to the iconic van, merging utility with a dash of excitement. The GR Parts division offers two distinct styling options for the HiAce, version I and version 2. Both of these upgrades draw inspiration from off-road and motorsport design, aiming to give the van a more aggressive appearance while enhancing its functionality and presence on the streets. The version I package is designed for those who want a more rugged, outdoorsy look. It includes a front bumper add-on with integrated LEDs and a skid plate that mimics a metal finish. This body kit also includes side skirts that have a sidestep appearance, as well as GR-branded mud flaps in either red or black. These elements combine to give the HiAce a more adventurous vibe, perfect for outdoor scenes or as a stylish utility van for urban life. On the other hand, version 2 is sportier in nature, giving the HiAce a sleeker, performance-focused look. The front splitter and discrete side skirt extensions provide the van with an enhanced stance, while the rear bumper can be upgraded with a mini diffuser, adding to its motorsport-inspired aesthetic. The version 2 package also includes a new set of 15-inch alloy wheels and a number plate frame equipped with GR bolts for added detail. Both versions give the HiAce a fresh and dynamic character, but version 2 leans heavily on sleek styling with a nod to performance cars. For those wanting the full GR Parts treatment, additional upgrades are available, including a set of wheels and tires, mud flaps, and an anti-theft GR number plate frame. While the pricing of these upgrades varies, they provide a relatively affordable way to inject some sportiness into the van. Version I's body kit is priced at 231,000 yen, and version 2 is priced at 143,000 yen, with additional accessories available for a little extra. Although these upgrades fall under Toyota's GR Parts division, at the bottom of the Gazoo Racing hierarchy, the HiAce isn't officially listed on Toyota's GR website, indicating that it's not part of the high-performance lineup alongside models like the GR Supra and GR Yaris. However, that doesn't mean it doesn't have appeal. The HiAce with GR Parts is for the adventurous driver who wants a practical yet sporty van. In addition to GR Parts, Toyota fans can also choose from Modelista upgrades, which offer more aggressive body kits and aero components. These kits include enhanced wheel designs, metal trim for the grille, new tailpipes, and even interior upgrades like wood trim, LED lighting, and leather seats. The Modelista package is perfect for those who want an even more pronounced transformation of their HiAce van. Despite the stylish and sporty upgrades, the HiAce still maintains its original performance and powertrain, which means no substantial changes to the gasoline and diesel engines are made. The GR Parts and Modelista packages focus primarily on aesthetics and functionality, giving the HiAce a more dynamic presence without altering its core power.